Hi there. Today we're going to do a tutorial on how to set up child support in DComply. So the first thing we're going to do is go into the settings menu, and then we're going to just check to make sure that our co-parent has got the right information in here. And if it isn't correct, we want to change it and then update and resend to make sure that our co-parent is working with us on child support. So let's go back. And once we're back at the main screen, we just hit the child support button. Only the receiver of child support can set up child support in DComply. So I'm going to press I receive child support. It's going to ask this, it's going to send a confirmation here. I'm going to confirm. Here it's asking me if I'm owed arrears, and that's basically, is there back support owed? In this particular instance, I'm going to say no. Then what I'm going to go ahead and do is request child support payments, which is this button here. And what you want to do here is look at your divorce agreement or your stipulation and basically just write what you have in your stipulation. So for example, if your stipulation is $100 a week, we want to put $100. Put in a date. Then we're going to select how often. So maybe you're receiving $100 biweekly in your agreement. You're going to press that. And then once you're done, you're going to hit the send child support button. And that's it. Basically, you've sent it. Now, what they're asking for here is your bank information, because the way you're going to pay child support or receive child support in DComply is via ACH bank transfer. So a bank transfer directly from your co-parent when it's time to pay child support. So I'm going to press the add bank button here, and you only have to do this if you haven't added your bank already. If you did, you're pretty much done with the tutorial. You can hang up and go away. If not, you could just go ahead and just punch in your information. This is a sandbox environment, so I'm just going to punch in some nonsense info. Okay. It's going to ask for your birth date. You have to be 18 to use DComply, so just so you know. Birth date's here, and it's going to also ask for the last 4 digits of your social security number. This information is never stored on DComply servers. This is just basically sent to our verification service that makes sure you are who you say you are. Once you've done that, once you've verified, then you get to add your bank. We recommend that you use the instant verification to add your bank. And this uses a technology that's called Plaid. And Plaid is the same tech that Venmo uses to connect bank accounts. And then you just choose your bank. And then you put in your credentials, your user ID and your password. And then your bank will automatically be connected to DComply. In the event that it doesn't connect, it could be because your bank has some additional security that you may want to check out on your online banking's website. But in a worst case scenario, if your bank doesn't let you sync up to DComply, you also have the option of, when you add bank, to use this manual verification button. And the manual verification is basically will allow you to put in your routing number and your account number into the application. And again, this gets piped directly to Dwala and doesn't stay on our server. And this will let you securely attach your bank account to DComply so that you can either send or receive money. Okay, so that should get you set up with child support. I hope this was helpful, and please reach us at support@dcomply.com if you have any questions. Thank you.